You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this American YouTuber, YouTuber. If you want to learn more names of famous YouTubers and from American politics, make sure to stay tuned. Got them all at the end of the video. Brian Tyler Cohen. So his last name has an H in the spelling, but it's not pronounced, so silent H. Cohen. Brian Tyler Cohen. Is that right, Brian? Can you let us know in the comments? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.